Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get rid of stretch marks. First of all, let's talk about what stretch marks are. Stretch marks are a common skin condition that occurs when the skin stretches rapidly, causing the underlying tissue to tear. This tearing leads to the appearance of red or purple lines on the skin, which eventually fade to white or silver. Stretch marks can occur for a variety of reasons, including pregnancy, weight gain or loss, growth spurts, and even certain medical conditions. They're not harmful to your health, but they can be unsightly and can make you feel self-conscious. So, how can you get rid of stretch marks? Unfortunately, there's no guaranteed way to completely erase them, but there are a few things you can try to help reduce their appearance. Moisturize. Keeping your skin well hydrated can help improve its elasticity and make stretch marks less noticeable. Try using a moisturizer that contains cocoa butter, shea butter, or vitamin E, as these ingredients are known to be beneficial for skin health. Massage. Massaging the affected area can help increase blood flow and promote healing. You can use a massage oil or cream, or simply use your fingertips to gently rub the area in a circular motion. Exfoliate. Exfoliating the skin can help remove dead skin cells and promote the growth of new, healthy skin. You can use a gentle exfoliating scrub or a dry brush to exfoliate the area, being careful not to scrub too hard. Use topical treatments. There are a number of creams, lotions, and oils on the market that claim to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Look for products that contain ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, or glycolic acid, as these have been shown to be effective in some studies. Consider medical treatments. If your stretch marks are particularly stubborn, you may want to consider more aggressive treatments like laser therapy or microdermabrasion. These treatments are typically done by a dermatologist and can be expensive, but they may be worth considering if you're really unhappy with the appearance of your stretch marks. So, there you have it. While there's no surefire way to get rid of stretch marks, there are a few things you can try to help reduce their appearance. Give these tips a try and see if they work for you. And as always, be sure to talk to your doctor if you have any concerns about your skin or overall health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.